Hello students, let us learn how to calculate average speed. So let us start with the question. If total distance is 8 kilometers, Zen travels half of the distance at 2 kilometers per hour and remaining distance at 4 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of the total journey? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆದರೆ ಝೆನ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು 4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 8 kilometers. Zen travels half of the distance at a speed of 2 kilometers per hour. Half of the distance is 4 kilometers and remaining half distance he travels at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. If total distance is 8 kilometers, then the remaining distance will be 4 kilometers. Zen ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಅರ್ಧ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು 4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಚೂರು ಪೌಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. 2 + 4 divided by 2 will give me 6 divided by 2, so the average speed is 3 kilometers per hour. Is it so simple? Think again. No, it is not so simple. This solution is completely wrong. Yes, you heard it right, it is completely wrong. The interviewer, the question paper setter, he knows that he will commit mistake here. So let us learn how to calculate average speed correctly. So to calculate average speed, there is a formula, that is total distance divided by total time taken. So we already know what is the total distance, that is 4 + 4 kilometers. But we do not know what is total time taken. It is not given. But we know how to calculate what is the time taken. So the formula to calculate time taken is distance divided by speed. So let us calculate total time taken. So there are two distances 4 kilometers each, so we'll use it. 4 kilometers divided by 2 kilometers per hour plus 4 kilometers divided by 4 kilometers per hour. Once you solve this equation, you will get the answer as 8 divided by 2 plus 1. So you might get an answer as 8 divided by 3, which is equal to 2.66 kilometer per hour. This is the correct solution for finding average speed. Now let us go for the next example. If Zen travels at a 2 kilometers per hour speed for half an hour and at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour for 2 hours, what will be the average speed at which Zen travels for the complete distance? So you can pause the video here and try to solve this sum using the same method which we used in solving the previous sum. I hope you have tried this. Let us solve it now. As you know, the formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time taken. Here total distance is not given, but we can still calculate it using the formula distance is equal to speed into time. So the first distance would be speed, that is 2 into time, that is half an hour, and second distance would be 4 into 2. So this will give you the total distance, 2 into half plus 4 into 2. So if you add these two, you will get the total distance. Now let us write down the total time taken, that is half an hour plus 2 hour, half plus 2. So if you solve the numerator, you will get the answer as 9, and if you solve the denominator, you will get the answer as 2.5. You can solve the equation using LCM method. After solving, you will get the answer as 9 divided by 2.5. There is a short trick to solve this, that is multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 4, which will give you 36 divided by 10, and the final answer would be 3.6 kilometers per hour. So this is how you solve average speed. Now let us solve one last problem. If Zen travels at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour for 6 kilometers and at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour for 10 kilometers, what would be the average speed at which Zen travels? Now you can pause the video here and try to solve it. Here, time taken is not given directly, you need to use the formula. I hope you have tried to solve this sum. Let us try and solve it now. As you know, the formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time. The total distance is already given, that is 6 kilometers plus 10 kilometers. What about total time taken? We know the formula, that is distance divided by speed. So in case 1, the distance is 6 kilometers and the speed is 3 kilometers. So distance divided by speed will give you 2 hours. In case 2, the distance is 10 kilometers and the speed is 5 kilometers per hour. So the calculation will give you 2 hours. So the total time taken is 2 plus 2. On solving this equation, you will get the answer as 16 divided by 4. So the final answer would be 4 kilometers per hour. So Zen travels the complete distance at 4 kilometers per hour speed.